It's 2018, March 5th. It's that time of year. Got a little sap boiling down. Got my fire going. That's the old setup that didn't make the cut. It's about 180 degrees right now. Show you what we got burning here. Look at that, nice. I use cardboard every once in a while. It's kind of like nitrous. Throw a couple pieces of cardboard on top of wood and it just cranks. My pile. This is all from storm debris from the New York State. Beautiful winter we had. Nice 2 feet almost. My little setup for the day. Chainsaw for clean up the debris. So basically, instead of buying wood, and all this is a little of my time doing this, and you know, hopefully I'll have enough for at least a gallon of sap when I'm all done. Old chicken coops. So this is 2018 maple season.